Hey there, it's Dr. J here, back with another ACS General Chemistry Practice Final problem. And so the problem here says, which of these is a nonpolar molecule? And so you can see your options here. And to answer this, we have to remember what polar versus nonpolar molecules are. In a polar molecule, you're going to have this difference in electronegativity and an uneven sharing or uneven distribution of the electrons in the molecule itself. Whereas a nonpolar molecule, you're going to have more even sharing or more even distribution across the molecule. And so you're going to be looking for two things here. One, do we have polar bonds? And you'll know you have polar bonds if you have two different elements primarily. Two, do you have uneven distribution or uneven pulling across the entire molecule? And so when we look at each of these, letter A has polar bonds, but we don't have anything countering that oxygen that's pulling at the top. Letter B, that's our water molecule. We know that when we look at the molecular geometry, that's going to be a bent shape. And so even though if we look at the Lewis structure, you might think it's nonpolar, looking at that bent shape tells us that it is polar. We have C2F4, and here we have polar bonds. However, the pull around the entire molecule is symmetrical, so we don't have that uneven distribution. And the letter D, we have a polar bond because we have iodine and bromine together. So with all that information, we would say letter C is going to be our nonpolar molecule. I hope that information helps, and come back if you have any other additional questions about chemistry, and check out my YouTube, and come to my office hours on Thursday nights at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. All right, y'all. Bye.